In August 2025, astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope recorded something no one expected. A new interstellar object, only the third ever seen, entered our solar system. At first, it seemed like another comet from deep space. But its behavior soon broke every rule we thought we knew. This visitor, informally nicknamed 3I, Atlas, isn't drifting aimlessly. It's moving at unprecedented speed, over 130,000 miles per hour, faster than any object of its kind ever recorded. That's quick enough to circle Earth in just 11 minutes. Interstellar debris normally coasts quietly between stars for eons. Yet this one is racing through space as if it has somewhere to be. And its chemistry is even stranger. When Webb and NASA's SpaceX mission pointed their instruments at it, they didn't see the usual signature of a comet, water vapor. Instead, they found a carbon dioxide to water ratio of 8:1. Most comets from our own solar system show the opposite pattern, with water dominating as ice sublimates near the Sun. But this object is venting carbon dioxide on a massive scale while barely releasing any water at all. Carbon dioxide creates a thick, opaque haze that hides whatever lies inside. If you wanted to obscure the core of an object from distant observers, this would be the perfect disguise. Even its path through the solar system raises eyebrows. Interstellar visitors usually arrive at steep, random angles, plunging in from above or below the planetary plane. But 3I, Atlas is gliding just 5 degrees off the ecliptic, the thin disk where nearly every planet orbits. Its route reads like a carefully planned tour, first passing near Venus, then sweeping close to Mars, and finally skimming past Jupiter, each time positioned for a perfect gravitational assist. The odds of a natural object arriving on such a precise trajectory are vanishingly small, like throwing a dart from another continent and hitting the bullseye. To make things more unsettling, its closest approach to the Sun on October 30, 2025 happens exactly when Earth is on the far side, hidden behind the Sun's glare. If someone were trying to avoid our best observations, this would be the ideal time to do it. Astronomers aren't claiming it's artificial. But even respected researchers like Harvard's Avi Loeb have pointed out how unusual this object is. In 2017, the interstellar object Oumuamua sparked similar debate with its unexplained acceleration and strange shape. Now, 3I, Atlas is doing it again, but with speed, chemistry, and a trajectory that all defy easy explanation. If this visitor is natural, it could rewrite our understanding of how comets form in other star systems. If it's not, it could be the first evidence of something far more extraordinary. An object designed to travel between worlds. Speculation ranges from a stealth craft, hidden inside a comet-like shell, to a carrier that might release smaller probes when closest to the Sun, to a spacecraft planning an Oberth maneuver, a powerful gravity-assisted burn at perihelion that could radically change its orbit. For now, the official line from NASA is simple. 3I, ATLAS behaves like a comet and is not a threat to Earth. But as it disappears behind the Sun in early October and re-emerges later in 2025, our chance to study it in detail is closing fast. In August 2025, astronomers detected something extraordinary. Using the James Webb Space Telescope and NASA's SpaceX mission, they began tracking an interstellar object that defied expectations. Named 3I, Atlas, it became only the third confirmed visitor from beyond our solar system. But unlike its predecessors Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019, this object was different. Its chemistry, speed, and trajectory broke every assumption about how interstellar wanderers should behave. When scientists studied its spectrum, they expected to see the same chemical signature found in nearly every comet, water vapor. Instead, they found the opposite. The ratio of carbon dioxide to water was an astonishing 8:1. No comet in our solar system shows such chemistry. Water normally dominates, sublimating as icy bodies warm near the Sun. But this object vented huge amounts of carbon dioxide while releasing very little water. A dense cloud of CO2 obscured its nucleus, creating a perfect shroud for whatever might lie inside. Its velocity was just as baffling. 3I, Atlas is moving at over 130,000 miles per hour, the fastest speed ever recorded for a visitor from interstellar space. At that pace, it could circle Earth in only 11 minutes. Typical interstellar debris drifts slowly, reflecting the quiet physics of billion-year journeys between stars. This object, however, races forward with purpose, as if propelled or directed. No simple natural explanation accounts for such speed without breaking the object apart. Then came the trajectory. Instead of plunging into the solar system at a steep angle like most interstellar bodies, 3I, Atlas followed a path only 5 degrees off the ecliptic plane, the thin disk where nearly every planet orbits. Its journey seemed almost scripted. First near Venus, then Mars, then Jupiter, each encounter positioned for gravitational assists that could alter its motion or provide maximum observational opportunity. The odds of a comet arriving on such a precise course by chance are astronomically small. The timing of its closest approach deepened the puzzle. On October 30, 2025, 3I, Atlas will reach perihelion, its nearest point to the Sun. On that very date, Earth will be on the opposite side of the Sun, unable to observe directly. When the object is brightest and most active, our view will be blocked by solar glare. For many, this looks like coincidence. But if it were intentional, it would be the perfect way to conceal critical activity. Astronomers have offered possible scenarios. One is the Oberth maneuver, where a craft uses the Sun's gravity to multiply the effect of even a small engine burn, radically changing its trajectory. Another is the swarm theory. The object may serve as a carrier, releasing smaller probes hidden within its thick carbon dioxide coma. A third idea is the stealth craft model. An advanced civilization could use a comet or asteroid shell as natural camouflage, hiding sophisticated technology inside. None of these theories are confirmed, but the fact that mainstream researchers are even entertaining them highlights how unusual this object truly is. The implications are profound. If 3I, Atlas is natural, its extreme chemistry challenges long-standing ideas about how star systems form. It may hint at exotic planetary nurseries or violent stellar environments unlike anything in our neighborhood. But if there is any evidence of engineering, it would be the first sign of advanced technology from beyond our solar system. Either outcome would reshape humanity's understanding of its place in the cosmos. Time is running out to find answers. 3I, Atlas will disappear behind the Sun in early October. By the time it re-emerges later in 2025, it may already be too far for detailed study. For now, NASA maintains that it behaves like a comet and poses no threat to Earth. But the anomalies remain unexplained, leaving open the possibility that this is far more than frozen rock and ice. Whether it is a relic from an alien star system or something deliberately engineered, humanity is watching its most mysterious visitor yet. This object could become a turning point in history, the moment when questions once left to myth, religion, and speculation finally demand scientific answers. For the first time, we may be confronting the possibility that something beyond Earth is not only aware of us but watching closely.